say yeda sister Sandy near in painful in the maso kwanso kosukra and akoye ukwada march de toso aduonum ye the trade and ponyakopon ase na masa the quick reminders are two mama madofo bi ye kasa de ono eti ayipa so erade show modern di kan era asenso also free US of A naba ye kasa de o maame erade aton San Francisco Mr. Asenso akwa aba to Ghana mechia busuafo nyina onyame hye odi na onka ho ebra atise emu sanso na Mr. Prepra also obe hwe na wakoja maame kwan onso free UK ana aba Mr. Prepra maame oba penya German sadura from Joanna Kobina nyame adma 1st of April ewo Asante Mantem ni mo boshen na ebedi kan edna tompem no ani fie ni maame fie na fe yakope ne krabia no ewo ankase efija kwa abre na ebusuafo atenase ewo Jubilee Park Ben Prempa Assembly Hall the 1st of April 2023 inti na me yadoma yenhye ne so ne enkotai era pepra ni nuanum nyina achi na bibia nko kama afi former NDC chairman of Usuampofo chairman of Usuampofo so ye kase ebra na ye kotoro so abane na ne maame efri mu chairman of Usuampofo ye kase yi no hihye ne bibia adana kwam onyame ya adoma chairman of Usuampofo so Saturday 1st of April 2023 Jubilee Park of Florida yenko tai chairman of Usuampofo ne nuanum achi na onko kata one maame kama one de bekwa ko sie ewo achim edukrom sie first one ye tuntum ene kokko na ne kwasia da no na asie awufusom no na asie sori no ebekoso wo Emmanuel Presbyterian Church and Lotown Kofrodia nti yenko tai era ofusu ampofo achi bra akopene maame krabia Mary Jewua bia Bedu do afran Auntie Mary Memenda 1st of April just next week and as a day we ebekoso here ka say era Dennis Miracles Aboaje, Director of Local Government and Rural Development at the Presidency at Nasi ye hwe nim say Yenzabeka Erica J, Deputy Bono Regional Communications Officer Emma NDC Amanyokono Miracle kwa ba that so I've always been looking for this opportunity because the last time I checked now Miami Chrome this year Techiman South, correct? MP, no? My contact on America Finity Hill and Martin James. Then one of our revered personalities in politics, Dan Botry. And a host of dignitaries, embassies, being diplomats,
South Korea, UN.
So that occasion, in fact, I mentioned more about the only time I could say Central for Equity as any enumasem. Normally, Marakuni a bohom, make a house as we live as out there. Over we normally Emra, F. Bo, is uncle my baby and by actually. As I might know, maybe Tim so it's very important. Say, Coco lands for workshop no seminar. Now, Mama, Emra who do a boat in Sass, by baby, meeting a car could do, maybe I won't even could win a papa way. Sanyo man a bois, inti may boabaso new team no for that wonderful job. But what did you want to achieve with the gathering of all these personalities there?
Oh, my, say, I think say, Kaya, yeah, they say, you share. Central for any almost share Ghana ha mentum amembu says I can decentralization.
Potem
amembu decentralization. Baby aba bedru.
Yeah.
Any niema akaisi ye. Any kwanya yenyi bitumi aka ye ho bom na ye decide dwumade no. Se wo hwe 1992 constitution mu a clear emrane say ansa na ye beka say oh baby edru de ke bima minke bia amembu no yapem na yetumi aya akodu bebe ese o man bi etumi du no na ehun be hia se e be ma decentralization and say potem amembu no ebe CP nti until say e be realize say full decentralization no democracy friend democracy dey embrana chechire yen say enyenya bi That is what the law says. It's the 1992 Constitution. Somewhere 2007, you know, Mampenunko say the friend of Presidential Advisory Committee. Omomedumane say, Omobeshe Constitution. Now, Omahe, Brown say the Constitution is a teacher of mine. A quite many emphasis as he side decentralization completely. Now, Omo to Mampenino. And see, the Constitution say Parliament and your mind obeshe emrebi to ensure say at the end of the day, political power, administrative power, legislative power, any financial powers ebeko at the local level. Inti 2 year war enkran nyina no embrane say emphasize 2 minute bi yeden enkofem. Na Ghana fo ankasa enhwe omombra at the local level. Enye omomutika. No mo san first no enhwe omomu at the local government level. That's what the Constitution says. But Constitution can't say we no. Constitution can say say ye pekwa ye behye mra e be masane ma nan den abem. But you see oman won any we asa fa na nyina nkasa no. Obi enu okura tumi o pese tumi ne ko. Enti tumi ne dikan e ba ye nsem won kran. E na sa tumi na so saka say ye fa kakra ye den ye mpone kakra enkofem. Na no e na ache no.
Kakra na ebe pone akọ.
Be 30 years ni. Be 30 years. Nti ye de bi akọ. Oh, say first no be kaya. First no na ministries no na nyina won kran yo. Nti wokọ e bi a regional be kọ na say regional director bi ho. Wokọ district where say regional director bi oba. Omo nhye da nya adwuma e ma mpotem ho. Omo ye adwuma man kran. Nti along the line bebre kọ oh works kọ. Feeder roads kọ. Agric kọ. Social welfare e kọ. Eti enesa wo kofema district wo no social welfare director no ono oye adwuma ma district no enye necessarily say Australia no pa na ordinary report ye den e bankran ye the department ni bebre kofem ai no mo ye adwuma ma mpontem no baka bebre ne kase pa aka ene de na nka ye pese in 2019 an yentumi an ya ankosi aga election of MMDC so because eno ye very 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 critical wo hwe constitution mu a Constitution say say ukompotem ho a nipa omo ye adwuma wo nipa omo ye niema eboa mpotem no they must all be people who work for and within the district. I say this car e district ni na district na nkasa de hwe omo ho I say de tumi a e ma omo ankasa omo hwe omo ho nsuo akwan akanea apomden school nsam nyina no I say district na nkasa ehwe no ho. No one can start taking the decisions at the district level. At the born ne man for over. You see, na say Ghana ha ye shem raba ko on kran. I say ko bia. It different. Uko bindruya, almost situation is different. From say wa besia ko ebia afu Kenya say. If you have Kenya say na besin ko kuma say here a few hours and also you different. Enti na mbrane kai say ye bo bia ho kwa no anhwe ne situation wo mu no. No fan hye niama ebema ne man for yeden. Now I can tell you say to me a yes decentralization e ma ne ko ekopem ne sia o man a lot of development aye ko hu sisi aye premu ne be content. Okay. Because I say emre bia na ye hye mra ba ko ne ada teacher bia. So yes we no pa ye say emo bia yusu e bia chalk entry on the board.
Yes say affect you bia.
Say affect you bia. Yes we say okay sisi akwa ne ye ja bidie yusu. Ye nyina yusu gas e say affect you bia. Ba we be district bi no. Answer no benya gas refill center baako. No they are filling the gas no we took kwan be e bia 3-4 hours. Enti district bi sa no ko hye mbra bi sa amana e be den na sa mbra no wetumi e den enya so mfa so. But ye mo ho kwan. No mo hye ase so mo ye ne kakra. What they will do is that first of all, omo ka say ye pese ye ko into full LPG usage. Omo be some more questions. E kwan be na e fa so. Aye betumi nya full LPG usage. They can e see etumi nya refill center. Oh ye kra ye ni bi o. Ene ba ko wa ye ne nkoka na ye taise no ye pass asema no ye nche ne se ye dodo ye sei nti so be set up ha ye nyina ye be den ye beto nti na we nya bi ebi ba ansa obetumi ahye o manfo no so mu nyina ye den enyusi LPG ba ye da to etrim madina wa he ya madina de LPG bebre buso nti ye se obi o hya odu sudoku bia nso enyusi LPG ba obekọ hya osudoku no mo mu nya ndru pepe so madina ye den edu no but because madina ben o mu nti ye ya dwe mu no e so mo so to me live the lives of the people of Medina. Inti yama development no aye equity inim aye imbalanced. ebi mu come ni bebre ebi mu so we chire
Ejabi
because ya ka niyama ni nyina afra. We need to take the 261 districts one by one. Near obia situation, obia challenges, obia difficulties. Near sheshe niyama ebema district na day. Etumi enya ntuma pa ifra. He.
Okay.
Ye ka we say we say district bia we unique resources e wo ho. District bi wa obekọ no, de omo ya de wo pa e banche. Bibi obekọ no half side you obekọ no, e bia cashew ene brode ne ade. But to what extent? And as our district resources you way yet to me more hoden kese or mutumi my resources value aye about ya kan nyina afra ya ka funtum nti we are unable to even harness on our unique resources na district no eden e wo no nti ye share ye no na de ye ka nyina ne say de amra ne cheche yesi yenye in decentralization ene nyoma mebubo so na honorable dambotwe bubo so ene mpenifo e kasa nyina bubo so no uti honorable dambotwe kasa o che won me bebre in fact okanya kan ekwan a esese ye fa so a ye ma district no ahode bi omumu no mutumi eyo omodwuma unim say uwura district bi mu a the entire political authority the entire developmental authority is in the hands of the district assembly so unim say bibia unsuo wakwan wakania apomuden school nsem bibia ma nipa se wote mantem bia esese wo ho etumi eto no ni nyina wo mantem ana district assembly no musem ba man ye mu sen ene yete kokomlemle ha yenim bebia district assembly no wo
dabi yenim
yemu dodo sen nti ama central government pressure beto no so obi twem na se nsu apae kra ase o mampani and the normal se wo hwe yemra na ye o mampani o nsu apae a ye o DCE ene wo assembly members obi twem na porto okitu abi etu a ye se o mampani enye o mampani obi twem na se bia se be wenya emergency ni yem ese so ogina na nkotumi nya very decent place bi no wura ebi no yesi o mampani nti ama yentumi enchechire mpuntuo no ekwan ye befa so a ebe kofem ama obi aye den ho atom in brand wo ho but to what extent are we ensuring say somebody
so when are we fully assured say that this insurance can was ebe ye
I think say nyina ewo so de bebre ewo so first of all, ye media for no crano. We have a responsibility to create the awareness for the citizenry to understand. Say these are the mandates of the district local government, and when the local government is there, when you wake up in the morning, so I just say, "Na ko kache and say, what die nichi no? Obi ebie ne septic tank man na befa ofie o mehema." So I just say, if people begin to hold their local government, their district assembly, omu hold you responsible for the basic municipal services. You never be a friend of municipal services. Maku 18. Sanya money there, and yes, central government responsibility per se. A municipal assembly and now district assembly is also amount. Now, no, na so the say. So ni hu akade na, and so peko your befa so benya akade no. Enti enye wo na obeba nkran. Na obeba sa akade na yeden. Akọ wo mantem wo municipal assembly no. And so no pe ekwan your befa so say won kran you. Say wo kumasi o baby no ono necessary obefa no dey dey or the bro but the citizens don't know how many people studio ha cameramen omudu do say no mu baby local government and local assembly no. They don't know omudu do say ni mo assembly members omudu do say ni mo district chief executive and municipal chief executive ye mudu do say nkwa na yete o my resources are say local government ni nya no mo de ye adwuma man ye no ye mudu do say na yetua what you say property rate and na me no ka say you match ye mu dodo say na ya sorry I say akokoto ye property rate what if the extra aside so ye edikasem wo ko ha for money the regions na wo outside greater Accra and greater Kumasi na omo no mutua property rate o me ye MC you know me be sorry no pa me do office na be wa puso we try property rate you know property rate dey be a fee tete. And so those from the old they understand and they are paying. But the new school areas, new school neighborhoods, they are not paying. So I just say, meanwhile, South one no demand a lot more from their local governments. And so that we say, people say, I didn't quite to you who don't find. I said chicken and egg situation. They ain't a camera. Yeah, the resources. In a be provided with street light na ma e district in the meboa enti wo so we need street light into unto your property rate
na want to your
bed in higher amount so I just say but the thing is that what we are hold the local government responsible so that they will do it for you if we begin to create this kind of awareness on both the sides of the citizens and then also hold the local government responsible. I can tell you, so we say development,
Okay, so Dennis Miracles Abuaji, a director of local government and rural development at the presidency. Dennis Dabena, mo party no, mo flag by another mo MPs.
And yes, we National Council.
Tidabena,
me National Council.
The business Ubia to party.
But I'm saying,
Brebre was Swasia,
oh, said National Council. I think so much here somewhere last month. But almost to me for dates now. But what I say in Chibia in the next few weeks on Bishia. It's here, yeah, say my me say in uni.
Would go.
Yeah, train. Yeah, boy, hunty. Yes, you must be a fee say party no. You jina Mpensenpensemu SSC to me winning 2024. Na yes, I'm so a tree juma na ye no so. They are to me ye. Na the into me no. O man bebre ni aye. Ba bebre so ni into me aye. So what a bebre aye bebre so ni into me aye. Nti the aye into me aye no. You say to me twice so ni to me wi na man si prekope. Enu nti no nipo obedi enim.
Very important.
Na they cause our elections no. Yeah, it will be very important to us. And here we are not mean so enye say yepe obi na yesi no omampedi na mo yepe de obetumi di enim edi true frank amaye no dey win elections na amaye a very critical amaye as a political party.
So amongst the tall list, why now also says na mo churu wetimi.
Oh, my Dr. Bawumia, the vice president of the republic. Dr. Bawumia, the vice president and nkoma ye ba bedi wo de opa Eric Betena ha ne kasa bia 30 seconds we about Dr. Bawumia din. Na di ntia. Okasa 30 seconds we about Dr. Bawumia. What do you say for the first time in this country? This is the first time I hear abanya oppositioner omo kasa omo nka. Who's the first year say Kofu abai? Now take Kofu Aliu Mahama MPP abai. So I just say first year say John Mahama abai mewa atamos abai. This is the first time opposition kasa bia omo say na now the down kwa Dr. Bawumia government. They would never speak without mention Dr. Bawumia. The reason they say uni obi be kontokwa. Na unim say nipa we ntokoya me nembe koi ono no betumi yi mi ahwehwe ma embre bia say odu anisa no na kwan bia obefa so obetwe na to fam no watwe na to fam enti ye de ye nami ye nda de ye ka che party fo nyina ne say obi a o contest for Flaberry bia to be the president mani no doubt about that e nkrofo ni nyina obi to me come ani just as in the NDC o hear NDC contest yom koya I don't think that there is anybody amongst them on to me ko but they know why omo nyina Eric Abetro be ka cho say omo presumptive omo come do brofo bia but we say presumptive flag bearer. I think say presumptive flag bearer is the vice president of the republic because ono ene betumi ene yen opposition omo aye ne omo kọ akosi ene no ono ene betumi atake all the boxes no ne omo de akosi ene nti there is no doubt, absolutely no doubt about that. No disrespect to the other candidates yen si omo fam kra omo nyina ya de hye man but esi winning sa elections no na ne ma pa ya shase ye na yetumi to aso na de yen tumi aye no so no man yetumi tenetere no ye ni ye magana fo nyaso mfa so. Okay, so bono de share kwaba man Mejiri so ho ye nyame adom na nso oh nyame adom eyi enra da mo presumptive leader ko fa na yi na ene no be fine enra oye enra what does it mean so oye ne o se ni ojini
I mention many Dennis.
So why I say what does it mean now?
The chair is a nomination from now copy no. Waba pro organ na ama nipe was somewhere endorse. I endorse and now the man national executives of the party. Because OPK nomination we also a filing a part of the process no. You see what yes more already no bona pro. 13th May no do ha yen na be kwa akoto aba me meto
aba sa akoto aba bi
democracy nti can be na me can be and they say
but it's pointing to everything is clear say it's Dramani Mahama
yeah on one there but say urado for epic form we ko jobo nsu and one crobia on the minimum crowd and his excellency John Dramani Mahama on say there be ya can be be fenti no Mary KJ me support contest. I'm for contest. And no cry no we buy a mama penny Mahama to obuso ba pro. Ya Kenya the base of the party. I'm for that. Now Obama region, if you are a quite halful Bono East, my region there na media tribe. You could clearly see say on one party in the pen you'll be mmerɛ no so a yɛkɔ akɔma no overwhelming endorsement na yɛasen apresent ne sɛ yɛde ne kɔ 2024 elections na yɛbɛyi Ghana for afiri ɔhaw a yɛde yɛakɔ mu no.
The through state of the nation address Bonitofa ansani akoyense. Ghana na nipa pese mo achi.
Oh, omahene. On say enche bia na mampani na nado danko Akufo-Addo. Okọ mrahye bedwafi. Wo hwe ya mamra na I think article 67. E mampani akwanya se mra no wo de oman no bobre. Koto mrahye bedwafo anim. Mrahye bedwafo na wo ho no mo represent omo constituents across the country. Nti akwese Ghana fo nyina ya kan di form di anim wo yempesu aso. Na ya kan state of the nation na oman no bobre mprimpri a wo mu ise na Ghana e bobre tie. Eno no ya na ye nuanom sentrofo no bi conflict na with budget statement. One says mampani photo sam for the ye budget no commercial bedwafi a ni nsusue de onim so obeye ne da financial year na nyema ahodo oboboso. But most of the times no can be a year ni baby or de yeko. Beba ne state of the nation e potoka se kire se oman no bobre ne san na ewu mu. Oman no kwabena sante. We dey crowd there say ya anye true state na minim say Ghana for do na nim the true state of economy today. Meba na metie no local governance no can I think what he was on point. But oko every local level bia they know the local economy. Nipa na wo patem ho no nim hawa okom. No kase ebia okwa half area your body ne banche we ahead him. That's true. I have can no body or pa. Nti nipa otia half ensusu say na was top body better me and 5 cities. But then the true state of our nation is say body ne the abrim pa ya toto no. Yetwa mu me and ba ko 3 cities. That is the true state of our nation. Nti nipa na otisa apetemu ho nim say aban the policy be by a friend planting for food and job. Yeah, all kind policy document na maize, serious na vegetable. But the name no ka say abro mpo ayebedi no. Ne bo nam 640 Ghana. Unu ya ba akuabo ache ya Adom. Omo ye sam.
The documentary
bi ya omo call Adom ahenkru. In 2016 Asat then I know ye documentary no. Now called the Mayan Cleaver. On say Juma mo ye pie pottery. No mo nkoko mako 60 million e wodoma. Ekua na be kan yo. Na as a last year no call documentary no. Na nkoko e wodoma Mayan Cleaver ka 1.2 million. And ebusa say what is the cost of it? The ekua be kan ye say ekuafo na say yenya aburu a ye de be ma nkoko na di. At the same time ne ye planting for food and job a. Ade e betim di aburu aba. That is the true state of our nation. And the drivers for change for now in 2016. For trotro pije when you anastic and about drivers for change. Samre no. No to fan waguni kema. A gallon 14 Ghana cedis. And then under President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the true state of our nation today ni say, ye pencil gallon ye liter. What am I say? Into a gallon of petrol na 14 Ghana and 65 cedis. That is the true state of our nation. The true state of our nation is say and Ghana ye drew me bia and kwadampo aya wo mo ntoto fe a yini mo mo da ache no mampeni ntimi nto vaccines a ne ye de wo mo e bi intense impo so economy no bebi agija what am I say and nye kan be kan ne be mo obi ehu de otimi krom suma ahenkro na ono joada te se nra okọ sampedwam okokodi dwa no akohoma na ne ye de man dada no ye de man onim ne ma otode ba fi eye abato nsunsanso pa abato ababia eto ne mmebi atwam kwa ye de start mo nso me hwe try me and ye sign ba for more 2 more mponi na aka 2 more
so edie na koso ye ne dema NDC party say mo se ye shebre no
yeah
ebi obi de 6 adane ye 9 na odi nfofo adane ye kwae no edie na mo de say wo be prescribe anu aduro no amaye say ye de si yenya akwanya nenne ya de fa adusua ho apomode ho adan akwan se akwanya nipa beye ebenya beye adwuma enioma boa ehuri bombombomi ye de moma esa akwanya na enye ye nso hwe bia asem ne ye kan ye campaign SDP
oma hene once make asano mema the distinction between budget statements and sona what we said based on Article 67, Amampeni could deliver on the constitutional rights about the state of our economy today. And don't forget, a lot of enyema prophecy solution is to say MPP for Jebebwa. You know, the Edikan, you could share a Men's Hotel. That day I was there. Ghana Crossroad, they call Kimpiski, Okawura Mahama. You call UPS auditorium. Your prophecy be mom, but they don't take it. So where we are today is not about what you are bringing on board. Where are we today? That is Sona. And they know the reasons Eddie could do. My started and you can be saying about na COVID aba. Before COVID, no. Now your team ya bobo saying Ghana, your public debt, a free 120 billion, I could do 225 billion. Now Bana bobo saying over 105 billion. Now COVID am. Before COVID, now your debt to GDP now hit about 70%. No. Near a threshold near him say danger. No. We said all these things, but on one fee. And to be a drew no. Akwesa akwada na so eden. Otie gye no mu na ehye na obeba fie.
Okay.
MPP ye party a nipa de se ni okuruma betimi advice omo because they have the men. Mewa. Owura kuto say nya de opa ni se wie na oton board dey our great ministry. Then yanka. Mra ye ka planting for food and job. Okay say of Kumasi Accra route and oba be ka kire se board dey dru. Sen 3 Ghana cedis. Oman can occur amre na okan asem no. Na body do 3 cities. But we have ministers of state. They be no omoto nyoma ede negu mampeni asom. So that is what they want.
Okay, so Miracle, just a sum up of the true state of the nation. You agree to unia the other to join. Say more intimate jam for you. Pane bra mampeni akonya no. Say onimra shewe for the Ghana for kasa. Okoka say fufro. But the reality is that omo no presenting the true state of the nation.
That's it. I think that none of them saying the core simple. Me describe what they presented. It is a complete false state, and I say in front of the fake state of the nation's address.
Fake.
It was a platform for political propaganda, twisting of facts, presentation of sentimental issues. Near my bema among for across no bofu. Na omo akase ya bremo ti beto abamo we mo. That's basically what they went to do. You see, on my be anywhere at every point in time, only a family. What near my air coswa air boar man for. And I won't know my enquire and also emwa or man for. Or mine be a. In Tempempi, you know, say a casse state of the nation's address. They say now the same NDC for Mocase, no more yesterday to the nation's address or Mutumide Sebe. Cremonia Baba Bejina Parliament say Otom Preconia dear. So okay, it's an issue. That is the same thing. What you do is that there may be a why if you say a bois or man for no count some. Now baby a uncle ye and so on. Then it's waka. That's how state of the nation's address is done. Until you present you present where we have come from, where we are, the challenges, any baby a also say yeko. I don't know the content of the state of the nation's address. So man penny begina parliament. Now offer sector by sector. Now okandia every sector here to me. I don't want to be labor. I can't want some and now okase indeed in spite of sanuma way nyina no. Yes sanso wo how bebre mu. Ye yesikasem akof asay kakra. Ye fuel prices okay. Why they do change? As at December last year, the fuel prices are 23 cedis. Or mine 23 Ghana cedis. It's a DBN home. But the difference between yen and your I almost say, yen for Mumbrana will be sound say alternative yen. Or my baby paying you. Bano Mubanos and yet different person beyond Modio Mobile. In fact, almost different was our NDC setup in Moye. RKJ Moa said Jamio Madonna 2032 or baby, to be by a baby beyond machine on different. Otherwise, look at the entire squad. The same people who had the opportunity and couldn't do even a quarter of Niamo Mokan Wasem. One or more years our presentation. And see, sometimes if you want to hear some of the things they say, Nama Wusu meeting me say, I am your some near. And say a mom who can wear the Omkebi. You find a sector by sector, or my and here for pan and this for because of my idea saying. You bow mind way, you bid your mind way so. And this is for catcher and say they have done the most ambitious infrastructural developments ever ye who my room. These same people. Sometimes no most of my infrastructure development ye who be done. Na Ghana ha 88 districts, only hospitals. 88. When who? Obo besia, oba ye na ye besia 9 billion. Omo de call 122 billion. 122 billion no boy omo de yede ade na still omo koye no omo so my the most ambitious infrastructure near that's what 88 district omo ni hospital. We got exposed when COVID came. COVID dem mayehun say yenyina yie ba ko say omo year campaign actually in 2016 omo ka say they've done the most ambitious road infrastructure ever anybody can think of. Today you have some of the roads in the Abuka Ofa Oko community anymore. You don't even see the road on the ground. These same people, when they had the opportunity, when it comes to education, now Oko secondary schools in here, they enquire them pass mienu. Enquire take classroom 70, 80. Enquire in your baby entina NDD. Enquire 135,000 and afi bi omo ketene fie because omo ko school ni mu baby omo betra kro mu di bi eno ye baako. De to so mienu ehia fo mma e school a that me no ye kan wa ha me ko verify ye here almost 3,000 Ghana citizens so they to any admission fee and no we chop box ni dey aka nka ho enti na here for ma entumi nko school man 135,000 of our young citizens every year e ketene fee under their governance and then me no ka say a month ago in kola ko secondary school a ma me bie ni wa osu say e na me ko face card be back school. Some are crying to even buy chop box socks any boxer short on Mumba Besha school cry. Ye 2 fees na momu no muntumi. Inti imagine sanka school fees no so ye dey. Eba beka ho. Ye ye free ho. And now me no ka say sa 88 districts na no money hospital. As we speak, each of them have a project going on in their district to get them a hospital. The single most audacious health infrastructural project abambia embake. Because some penny say listen, once you are a district there are basic things you should have, which includes a hospital. Into a quembi ebe faso ebe no. Esi ekosoni momo. These projects are ongoing across the country, all at various stages of completion. Meno Kase in this country, for the first time in the history of any government, they are running close to 7 years without any energy crisis. 7 good years. 2015, 2014, 2013, near Dudnum Kania. Omampeni abedeche Dr. Baumia Kache Ghana for you and say, we have a lot of generators. And this is for almost all generators be brave my way. They bought a lot of generators out of 2015. Now there was so much power. We had excess power. Excess generators to power, your friend said, produce excess power. And so near that's what they assume. Utifie, or Cassie ho, and soon to be 2 car no. Or Benz, or Land Cruiser, or BMW, and soon to be 2 him because over all car no, the most car better for a lego car, the money, wouldn't and to say, so 50 now back, Kokoblimna, Stella, a bad amount. Ever since we came to take the leadership of this country, there is not a single time Rebecca say we have had challenges in purchasing the necessary gas and fuel to power the generators now. We told them, they said it wasn't true, but we told them, and since we came, we have proven to them that indeed the energy crisis was not about generating capacity, but it was about the fact that we didn't have money to buy fuel to power those generators that were available. That decision to ensure that we have a robust financial capacity to be able to power the generators is what has led to people like you and myself having the opportunity to come and sit here this morning. Industries collapse here. Industries essay ye lay off workers. More media here, more lay off workers. Release statement. I say because of doom so more operational costs here then a cost road. Kojobu na koshe kotemena koshe factories shut down. Omo lay crofo off. Edru baby no here for this fomba the only way omu to minya for akotena air classroom allowance say the man kola so mon fanko school o ma ye give you.
So what do you say to yes
they are making and say
tough.
They are making and say every situation every time be in every government's life o man bia no embre no and a situation am
because the NDC the ADD e dey pa yin na etiri o ye gitu mu no ye botom nkuli
of course. But the point is that Embra na ye bottom nkuye no e hihye be na oman no to akwemu se na be ya oman ya friend Ghana ye fisa oman ni mu no ye benya ahoto oman be na ekoyi wo do to kwan ko bebia mention one country that is doing well. Mention one country in this world today that is doing well. That is where we find ourselves today in this global world.
And no bankers be dey come even almighty US in the banks are
they are collapsing. Switzerland cry a disca. The whole world's friend is saying bank. Switzerland banks are collapsing. USA, they have seen an all-time 40-year record inflation. UK, within 6 months, our economy almost the same prime ministers 3 times. Germany, almost shorty is some. ene Ivory Coast for na end this form kase bia na COVID no ene Ukraine no e jump Ivory Coast e jump Togo and na me no kase Ivory Coast for IMF for mkoje we IMF for kind of statement I say to ensure debt sustainability for the Ivorian country. Go and read it on their website. Togo for echo a friend is IMF. Egypt ako IMF. Nigeria cried the oman omo disika ne toska. Kenya omo shorty fuel. Fuel ne bo akoso no ma se shorty fuel. South Africa omo won indum so. Mention one country. Turkey, baby, a quarter sanya mo we nyina de bagana no. Turkey, omo inflation ko 80%. What it means is that your quarter side we free hoba. Yes so ne bo no be den. Because oman there is baby we to see ade na ye ko mu in about 2 or 3 years ago no. E ade e bin see that in the last 120 years. So what you say? Inti okaita mana we ase afane ne World War 1 ne World War 2 ne ade no. Say na situation here different. It took so many years before the global economy was able to get back on its feet. That is the kind of situation we find ourselves. Okay. And the point is that, and yes, you want to yen, and yes, how ni ho, nema boy din, inflation cost ro, petrol boy din, ahunchaba. But yembi say you say a quite bay and a buying a faso to ensure say in the midst of all these crises and challenges, you know, or be making sure say yet Ghana had ye the young compare for Kenya. Ye dey on compare for Nigeria, ye dey on compare for South Africa near there because say oh e mo eden there but ye hwa ye ho ye e say omo maka no. That for me I think is crucial. The mere fact say ne akola na okọ secondary school no ne maame no oman no hwache no kra no still oman ni tua akola no hoka no e crucial. When we went into a similar crisis in 2013-2014 omo jesa ne me nyina fi Ghana for omo say ye niska nti ye ni ba wo di allowance ko school ne ye je fi unsem. It happened. Almost a niska. In Ghana, near Juma 1 year, near 3 months. It happened. Today, even in the midst of the crisis, haven't we increased salaries of public sector workers last year? You increasing salary in the midst of the crisis. The government is doing everything to ensure say we manage this crisis in a way pressure
okay, so Eric, maybe this is what the biggest social
and easy.
Yeah, and by
easy. Or started, you know, or say, or be classified the and say fake State of the Nation's address. But or be London. On one side, admit it's a fangobo was raw, inflation was running at the other. So, what is the fake about the working? Those are the very things that okay. Or mine, is it not true? Say, inflation over 50%. Is it fake? Or mine, a fake? Say 4 trenches of capitation grants are buying Timintia. Is it fake news?
We talked about the good side and the bad side.
No. But Oba your Kasanamiti no pa. Mine a fake. A fake is saying $1 or per $1 to CD, and I'm 13 Ghana cedis. A fake news. It was then 4.2 in 2016, and they said Alaji Bawumiana and Nemo champion and the champion Tano. He spoke about the economic issues. Where is he today? Huh? The man himself is a mess. Because your tenure is not over. Adia already turning the fortunes of our economy. Do it and let's see. Now Laji Bawumia ho. And I'm penning another power. Nipa 17 see I'm covering the course of you see the Nina fallen before COVID-19. Who is the head of economic management? Nye Bawumia. No Kahumbi. Man penny grani jide wonimu. That is the economy today. The economy today is a niema boye din to the level say every Ghanaian is suffering. And then or kase asupiti ahodo na e wo so obi anya bi
ansara bedu honom no se oye obi a oye aman yourself.
Yes please.
The ana me mpese be ne se kase nyoma bomo ayedin we should be able to also help the conversation as a result of the aban no nhihye enkoyi aban ni nchi mu ode ba se COVID any Ukraine nya nsusanso no ento asomu ana aboa payo na monto obi aban na tu no ana die nyina bedu sa mpempenso ya na go e kanu o eja na hosa na ayete se de ye pese ye amanyo se ye pese di nkomo se nti se ne bibia gi se ma di nti na hifa de fi na hifa de bibia na basa
MPP born to in 2016 ya na mo kan mo se obi ani wodi to see obi so se shebo obi amfatu ansi na nado se on kan kire Ghana for so betena konwa so within 18 months obesisa Ghana for shebe e promise. Say leader Edna no can be a policy statement we are making. It is a one can win no kwafo. Within 18 months, and never better now for 7 years. What is our state now? So be catching in your manifesto, say 1 district, 1 hospital. Now within 7 years, ultimately 4 or 5 district hospital. Now catch say yeah, we are no kwafo. o ka kire say akwada ku school obi abedi chocolate within 7 years untimi ya wo ye nokwafo o ka kire say then na your exchange rate no 4.2 now if the fundamentals are weak exchange rate will expose you today with these fundamentals exchange rate now 13 cedis and you are telling me what again do we need to know?
All right.
The ordinary Ghanaian, the discerning minds in him. And let me tell you this. As repeat analysis now, you know, man a time, man, 10 districts are almost new hospitals. So, see, by amphibian baby.
Ongoing.
They should stop that language. Other Ghana what times when you flow the beer. Do something. My Dennis, more bracket it too. More bracket. You should learn something from this. Baby, I Ghana for whom more boy in a yenum. No other former Chief Justice or Court Pickett in the Utias Mama American. Or Sikado do not imagine, I'm on chair, the Omodiaje. So people are calling for accountability. What am I say? And what you say, I but in 2016, yeah, Cassia Yakwan and another see and requine, and they had the Yakibab. See, D. Or more West, Hanti Omutidi. So, my the issue of economy. Ghana COVID by Echibokina, Echimali. We are seeing ameboa. Yeah, young kwana yenina mpetemu ayeje COVID levy. Yengusuntia.
Okay, so I'm back to a conversation with Damasi for this initial comments. The NDC seems to have a challenge with the appointments at the Electoral Commission.
Very, very.
Adentia.
My in one say democracy na yenina enjoy no. Yeni jehopa. Na debi ameka. Upon say ye kamu ye ade achi ayepie ekosan ba ananya sanete na de efe ne so oman bia obenya wasomdua wode be kwa ba na nana danko akufo ado betina konya so politicization of institutions na oye no ya kanche and oman let me use this your medium College Bishop Conference, Ghana Bar Association, Christian Council, Pentecostal Council, Muslimi for traditional authorities, church leaders, nimpenimfo na akano. De nanado ye ne no munhwe yi na ohwie oman na gu. This is the time to talk. Semo ankasa na ochene bi no ehwie gu ye sisa enyi. Just last 3 or almost a month ago, and I started debate about Electoral Commission in general concerning the new CI na person amend 126 in Edeba. Yeah, ni na say Electoral Commission say yema na kwenya na yemfa Ghana card nkwanya dansi di ekire so obi etimamuni a wadi ni mpanimfie so otimi to abana na adwemu da ho. Yema a lot of suggestions. This is say your obeboa. And one thing I was say omotiase and say Kwame Nkrumah ji independence no ono yetu na de so kra no ni Ghana meboa ofiri ho no yenya mampani ahodo ama mampani na nado danko akufo ado ne papa kra be head of state ko meboa ene ne ba netesu President Kufo be di mfie nwotwe ene ye papa wa yemre Professor Mills be di 4 good years wenwie ena yameto ne nsafre na kunwa no so JJ Rawlings or the coup ne be di akunwa we no under democracy or sign confia watching we ojemu di ma obi mampeni Mahama be di 4 years ojemu di ni na peaceful and nanado danko akufo ado trend na ode ye kono he's willing to create a mess na well already no we mess up the economy one thing aka ye democracy so he's also willing to mess up our democracy na ye enjoy ne no di enti na meka sa yes Electoral Commission members ne mensa kwa retirement ene ye kwa kuyi omo de omo aba ye yi foforo de aba o ma hene se menemi ne dynasty ye hwi ni ye ntem aside the political differences na wo ho no ye nipa ba ko ye bu ye ho ye do ho enye echinye na ye be da sorry na Owura Mahama na ye Ghana mampani ye da sorry ye ne ye se Electoral Commission staff ni bi e kwa retirement a be mensa ko ne ye koyi minu asame jamfi ni ekoyi erikeji ni ekoyi felisofo kwachi say ye ni nkofo a ye nko represent Electoral Commission for na omoko no isi o ma wote a sebe de na be yo da bia no nko a
wo be dwiru
eno nko a
be won wa
ni po ye sa na onye mambofo
Uni butai odi yesa.
Eye butai bone. Eye mambofo adwene. You see, Apiahene, I am the Deputy Communication Officer for Bono Region, NDC, right? Apiahene is a staunch communicator of the MPP to set Minia Dennis Otia. Many Apiahene at one station in Sunyani Moonlight FM not less than 2 times. Who defending a party NPP. Now me defending a party NDC. Yet to a very regional election. Apiahene yes or kwa regional research officer no. My main kind is Sylvia or the Badwam Mpensenpensemu copy of Moses here. Me call once a name for because a favor no. Ye twerɛ woman na yesuana na the political officer ye hold the abam for favor. Into Baha the political positions are hold in MPP. The said Apiahene na ye as EC member now yaso any in our presidency no. Or say no a member of 2022 Bono Regional Election Committee for MPP. He be no say Bono Regional IT Director for election 2020. Into election 2020 na ye call no. MPP Utime, Bono Region IT Director. And an eya power ne say. Omra meye juma ewo Electoral Commission akachi oni Jeminsa, Dr. Bosman Asare, Dr. Sribo Kwekumu metna honye juma. Ebiem omahene. No say also a Bono Regional D-Day Coordinator for election 2020. No say a member of the National Research and Data Analysis Team of the New Patriotic Party. Regional Coalition Officer representing Bono Region. Na no other election I call no. Regional Coalition Officer no. Yeah. Na me Regional Secretary no de ni se bo twimesi. MPP rep no wo ho. Eye Apiahene ye yi ne so onko Electoral Commission akachi no ne omonko ye adwuma. Ebiem ose no ye member of Let My Vote Count Alliance. Ose the next na the toso number 9. Ose organize training for all Bono constituency coordinators and parliamentary candidates. And a chairman and secretary for in 2020. Na no other MPP esen akọ regional election no. Me amini akwame bafo. Ekọ regional election no. Na ni party agent. Ye ugina ho makwame bafo. E ya Apiahene. Omahene, what is this? Why? Mampeni akufo ado na umu ni pasa why? Omahene. Referee na ye kwa akobobo 2024 na onkonko gina mfimfini no. Wo wakwa you party communicator menene tena. Ya memese ye mfa Ghana card nkwa nye source document. Ono se no ne epe. Ade achen ya ummu Ghana fo nti no. Wa man appointment say onko ka Electoral Commission for no ho. Ah mampeni akufo ado. Is that how to treat a nation? Are you comfortable with it?
Well, meaning but the maybe
yes say wonimu.
But the maybe say
Bible say wade nyina ho kwan.
Nya meba nyina na fatai. The maybe say aha ne yetimi de nipa no nim de eye de ntie de
nim de ne asɛmba ya wo
kodarma mebusa wasema yetimi de nipa no nim de eye nyina so ntie a ede be fa council of state for ni manpanyin be dwon ede be ko Electoral Commission
amahene me da ase ne ko sana wa busa no enti Ghana nipa 31 million na wo Ghana no ye ne obi o nim de a oye neutral minded person a ye betina ko sensitive position bi to say Electoral Commission akache ade etimi hwe democracy egu ye nya obi nipa amabobo ne credentials in MPP no ne nya no so no NDC ne MPP kokobobo ono kan referees na omoko no omahene de ne yeyi de ne yeyi na wonim say why ejuma na obenwe ne next election you start from the top of the commission when are the free bar form so omahene, are you telling me say NDC akọ IPAC meeting to say the ne EC e won chine wa hyew na yesi obi me brief here matters of IT na Bono Region former IT director of NPP, former communicator of MPP, former Tescom patron University of Energy Sunyane. Kwame Bafo call regional election the pooling agent. Or no, any general as EC person or betray omahene are we normal? Huh? Are you okay with it? Na ono kwa ne nim yansa wo Ghana ha ba bi adunu yamfa na nkwa EC be break it down. Mampani umu Ghana fo. Why yabroso? Okay. Yabroso. You see, oko NCC ya. One Dr. Simona Pentena say why? Ametepe. Ono so na prior so we area Eastern region in prior so they say OPK president. No na constituency vice chairman. And ono so one ye denaba. Yes, deputy MPP NCC deputy no I denaba no. Ametepe. Constituency vice chairman. So what I am asking another dan Kwaku Ado ne say, unim say why ye jumaden a Electoral Commission, I want was a party for Koye Jumansa, one winning next election. And on my, you think this is cool? Say NDC as a party. Electoral Commission, yeah, dear, you be fan of so.
All right.
Na Nigeria election, Grana, ye na no there, one sama ban. Say na no commission, your mojuma.
Okay, so, tennis.
We've gone far, Mamma Famanisi for. And penny for how do I mean, can bomb Modino? You heard the Ombeka. No, my. Me can send be bomb and penny how do I be digana so. O my, obi any other sotia kunyano so. And penny force said, yeah, and then tree de anka netono. Sa na enka conform. Ni empese beto da. Not to me, best no be intimate can be asem Ghana. We don't want it that way because this is the only country we have.
Right, but the NDC should not also assume that essence will be highest information.
We should.
Most of them will be that power. No assume that. More the side direction between my most of no crime be no.
I am not saying say we are assuming. Anuntina.
But the can say who he has to say good. Yeah, careful. A son as my under good. Nana than good father. But I'm fine. She will tell me say the necessary a kakwana 790 and any question or our point here. Most mobile boy more. Most of you Ghana. Yes, I'm about it.
Oh my name. Yeah. Mekasa. Oh my. Mekasa. Mekasa no man kase ye ba be ye de chance. Na me boko kose de o ye ne no.
Say you
wan hwe ya da ache.
You makori na
because emre bi atwamu no omo na na omo voices in this country. I am not saying say appointment na ye de ama abemu ano na academic credentials no unqualified. Okita ni PhD fine. But say ye kwa akoto aba electoral commission na pure MPP for na ye de omunkogu ode. Ah o ma hene adan ye wo a basic name a JHS Yensuan religious and morals.
Okay, so
a moral issue.
So right, Dennis, he raises a very a moral issue. Na aside the also say you are doing now quite. In this situation, the Sepanico Nabaintase, how do we go about it? Already, there's a certain mistrust between the NDC and the Electoral Commission and the NIA. And then even in Parliament, there are directives for their members of Parliament to toe a certain line on matters of this new year, Electoral Commission for Person of Common Day. So how do you go about it?
The decline, we decline ko head the Embranica. Now we be sound saying be Embrano. I can say vacancy by Electoral Commission now be appointed here. We be say ebia me miracles reviews. And now we be say RKJ send ni pay me pen na say me pen na say we could be so my answer. Until the Embranica no and be decline her first.
Okay, so
you toss me no. And they say and bia o man me be say asemo 2015. Was it 2020? Was it when Charlotte said 2015 he appointed me?
Yeah, Charlotte before the election.
Yeah, before election. Just around that time.
End of 2015.
Yeah, appointed no. Yeah, the political CV but two about here now. But say we in the MPP we knew. Now did we bring a political CV? Because yen eduma. Yen eduma na say you be appointed easy when there's a vacancy. Emrano me be another we niwa. O mampeni eduma no. It is on mampeni no ko pow Charlotte say so me easier. It is not within our right to come and determine Charlotte say CV. You bet me akade say ke bia be nkwa kosi aga. Eno nti na yen easy appointment way. You cannot find any record anywhere. Say on mampeni appointment of easy complain. We complain when you are incompetent.
On sem fatal.
But the people be eduma na say when to me and ya na e ka ho asem.
But we hear the pepe.
When you man want some na e ka. Enti you won't hear us saying say and I appoint you nyina enim say background when she was appointed. We all knew. You nyina that say you know prophecy. You nyina won me I don't do that kind of politics. It is not my right to come and sit on national TV to come and read somebody say I would never do that. So what do you say? Enti you know we won't come and question where obi asori oko. Obi nton a obo just because Embrano man who can say oye Ghana ni no or qualify no ye the position man. But we are more interested in the person's competence. You will not consider an avoidable situation be quite chaotic because you say the Adibia farm say ejumako no say an independent body Ghana for you see nya gidie ewo mu o won hihye ene o manam ntu ene o kasa Follow my argument. Follow my argument and get to this.
That's one answer.
Yeah, appointed. You follow my argument. Yeah, appointed Charlotte Osei. Yeah, I'm funny see you even though we knew her background. But let me tell you what happened. So chaotic. Yeah. This is what caused the chaos. Martin Amidu letting you. The head in here, NDC created the Electoral Commission chaos. That portends a bad omen for the country. And then he goes on to describe Charlotte Osei. And all the reasons are a chese Charlotte Osei, a Jumana obey, Onunti, and a chaos. So chaos about Electoral Commission, where even the commissioners among themselves were fighting.
Shule, is it Shule or Gariba?
Omunine, commissioners, we tomorrow now we are trauma, commissioners who are Moyaka. They said a lot of things. Omoki can be feed Kukum, Eba to Abonting. Martinemu do say the chaos was caused by the president. Of President Charlotte Osei's mentor. The letter is here, city. Of President Charlotte Osei's mentor. It is not within our right. What is MPP Nibia? The time Charlotte Osei was appointed, they can was Nemo Charlotte Osei Subai, any Numa, all ye, and Bra no ye, any Ebeka was him. Eti Obetra TV so. Now, wo, now, Emrano Mount who can say, wo, and I'll bet you the only electoral commissioner. A non-electoral commission. Yabo wedding Signam. Already no electoral commission, Nayaka. The entire commission, money commission Nayaka. Or you see, we have the chairman of the electoral commission. And you what the electoral commission set up. The electoral commission, no, Ukomua, commissioners. Moment the entire electoral commission Nayaka. You don't deal with the electoral commission. And yet, more internal elections there. We invite on meeting every random. Why would I be surprised? When the president makes appointment for vacancies, Mumu Yebi, during your tenure, the last 8 years, I'm better on my someone appointed electoral commissioners. Once there's a vacancy, did we come out to come and list full CV? And what does it got to do with the person's competence? Judges square one my you need judges from NDC for. Don't we know them? We have judges who are chiefs and are NDC, and yet they go and adjudicate on cases. Judges in this country, judges. We have judges who we all can give indications. Or my son, I'm going to say, Omokasemu, Omuniyemu, Omoniomaye, Omo association, and then Omo Edi Agro, because near power the Kasemu, the Niyemu, the association, no more Diago, the NDC, so a judge. Me and family home. The most important thing is over Trama Semonoswa. On fire NDC and MPP day, and Dia Semono. So we dear some not the MPP ni NDC edia me wo ho kwan won brem say me raise sai hwe maka say da bi wasem ya wodi edie me hwa wodi we NDC ntoma na ye den edie nti me kwako security readiness
but that is all that the NDC is saying.
So I am only saying that
rising above the occasion has been a difficult challenge for all of us as Ghanaians. Simple. He reads out a CV.
I don't know about the CV. Have you verified the CV?
No, I have verified.
I don't know about the CV. Minim CV, no. Minim CV, no. And I mean how the CV affects the person's.
Let's ask you a question, please. Director.
Pacho.
I don't know how the person's. I don't know how Eric J's CV or reading affects the person's delivery as an electoral commissioner.
I'm saying, danger make us understand. Minim. They work can say, okay, kind woman, Adam and Nimina, actually, quite first will be called Doms, Ejumekuna. Clearly, it's spelled out here. And Bibia Waha Okinga mode of appointment of the commission, the council of change, blah blah blah, all those with people with integrity who are capable and all those things. The Eric person can say, Ampa Yajini Panatum. Just imagine Erica Unimsa Branti on doubt to qualification. No abejina and him say, maybe electoral commission for ye IT Nyoma and the Edibegua Commission the Beya Batrono. You are not expecting Eric saying Roberton say, oh, we do rise above the occasion. Did you obviously be? Well, make us say, young father said, you can impose. Do we necessarily have to repeat?
No, it is not an issue of repeat. It is an issue of Nipano Eye Neduma, Edumano so yet, that's a moto chima. There is always a remedy or redress in it. Don't
forget, there has been an occasion where the NDC raised a red flag about an utterance where they said it was very unfair.
Bossman Asari.
Pacho.
why be no more money? Almost say boss man MPP. Almost say now we James and come say MPP. Me dem I don't come meet you.
Dabi, as you say we THS say.
Na, omo ka say James MPP.
As you say we THS say. Kakra e rabat
na dem me ba bisa question omo no mo ti omo nkasa omo de emphasize omo appoint omo no mo NDC for what was the resource omo Martin Amidu has described the aftermath. What's here? So
in a situation like this, what do you prescribe?
They describe everybody as.
So what do you prescribe?
They should appoint. That's the only solution. The only solution is a appointment number NDC. Because everybody you mention in this country, so long as it is not one of them, or Nipani MPP. So that's the only prescription.
Am I here? Oh, 20 minutes. Look at that.
The only prescription between them, and they say, you have NDC for Asasa, Omo 40 say Charlotte Semo. Without that, Omo can't say so long as Charlotte saying is in the Omo is Yayaka. So me all these things about now, almost say Bossman the NDC, almost say Jamesa NDC, almost every person at the Electoral Commission. And you almost no more appointee NDC. The only people almost say almost MPP for ne almost harder than now retirement here day, and so almost MPP. And so me in case almost NDC because they were appointed under an NDC government or association no mo from ni omo di agro. Any baby omo ko parties omo ko ni omo di agro no. Me so metu bi akasa omo ye day. Omo ye MPP. Omo policy here various degrees. Eya nyina na yetra radio so. Obi wo on radio so. Be nyina nim say politician. Ye nim meeting so ko. Ye nim document or prepare. Ye nim friend saying party so ko. Ye nim direction of the political parties. Ye was CV of everybody in this country. What is important to me is not political party Adom. What is important to me is not whether we need me finance or we need me time. What is important to me they say eduma na ye dia sha wonsa no. Obeye no krem aya na sundwem edem bra ye den aya eduma.
All right.
Say ye ka de sana nkosi dia and ye for appointment ni nyina ye den. America J mu no mo appoint.
Okay, so Eric, ye be kwaba. Ye ba obajebre because he also raised another point that say ye ma nipa ne kwan no nkodi ni dwuma. Na so de ayebu kata bi be ma we cannot for now jump and conclude. So
but you are convinced with it.
Yakwaba. Yadamuina masokwa so majibra mugusu hwe. Mini akwa mesapom. Ofri eye US of A na waba. And the box is do na abayi na ebisi o maame. So sad. Kwame Sapon mene wana na ebo live band e US. Wabidu Ghana nti akwaba. Ene yenyina ya maame oba panyin ama bedu do afred bedu kachiri hwediem de hye 100 years obekata oledi so oni onuanum nyina abana doma do afred eye honorable hwediem Grace Bona ono so Kumasi oba druwa Kumasi Darling Sapo do afred Nana Kwame Sapo ya mi ni paprekope ana ama kosia so eye hwediem onyame de che eye fiada memenda kwasiada ewo hwidiem abusuafie edne tompem na afei abusuafo atena se memenda no ewo eye hwidiem funeral grounds ti yen hye so yen kotai kwa msapochi ene ne nuanum nyina ebere omo kata won maame oba pen bedu kachi omo kata de chikwakra hwidiem fo so amogibere amohwe no so mo so a lot of text messages about on the appointment of to Electoral Commissar. Nipa do na chira o madwene. Yeah, backing kind na e dia ma ebi no so atwero.
Uyo mompeni.
Ebi no so atwero tintin e dia ba. Yeah, backing kind na.
Tamo mo appointment salon. Me kwa me pen. Vacancy bi ni ho. Why is direct one won't say appointed?
Making carina the amamo. Hey, wait a minute. Okay, so Eric, my mention when I go through this, even though coming back in here, but to be so young, I did the aba.
Deceiving.
They've been deceiving.
Okay, examine a bit to credit.
Okay, okay. So he's trying to break down what goes into the administration at the Electoral Commission. So head office, the day-to-day administration of the commission is run by the chairman and 2 deputy chairmen, who are permanently situated at the head office.
Those
collectively,
we know.
And then the departments, there are 7 functional departments at the head office. Each department is headed by a director who is assisted by unit heads. The departments are electoral services, human resource, financing, training, administration, research, monitoring and evaluation, information technology. Regional offices are there, district offices are there, election officials are there. Okay.
And right now, I say, Okazati said, Akokra wedi 70 years. Niyama ni bibiane. Na unim da nyame beto ne nsa afre no. Sooner by now than it dino. I say onwe ochina. Eno kasa. But me new nyina ye babu no. No, listen to me carefully. Listen to me. Me new nyina ye babu. Nyame ye yadoma. De wo ye nim no. E chen de wo ye chi.
Okay.
What am I say? Okay. O man hene one say nipa no text message no de aba na wo kan. Ye nyina ye nim say the Electoral Commission. Nhye tie if you okosi district. Na enra so follow me wo unia obi show ni so. Kabila kofa document bi by na ye reporter IPAC and compile in 2015. Then obi are not representing NPP we are kwabena Japan. And na CPP ye Kabila na and IDEC Dr. Jonah. And I think IE Professor Jampo then Dr. Jampo. NDC na you receiving ketia. Now kind reports no more conducted ya we could Jeffrey Jan and Kasana no chairman for the said committee. O kind na omo ka the mode of appointment of members of the Electoral Commission akacha. And no Kabila no ko kan ye but o kan ye no na o chiri mu wrong. And the man in nchi wa show by no because they all kan and was o chiri. What they said ni say Mampeni said the constitution the man akwenya so no na appointed with broader consultation on the Council of State no. But always obi ebe appointing akwa Electoral Commission akachi bia no. The person should be neutral minded. Oman no tie me pa. Said the ebe consolidate the gains of our democracy. Neutral minded. Na ye TSCA. Yes say NDC for na multimedia for match. Ni ye kwa kofa referee ni akofa owe kwasi twim. Ana oman hene kwabena sante so na referee. Oman hene kuro ya so ka multimedia for. Enti ujidi se Eric Eje
ankotro a utumi ndi turu
anko sa usuba no jai jai enti ye gina ho na wona hwesto oh de na ho
ye betumi di on integrity
ye gina ho ye gina ho hwesto ne hye waso wa no no wona ho ye obi ogina mfimfi
ankotro we de
enti se Eric Eje nya bo no kwa akohyego na obomu
meji
oman
ye boss anya
memfi no washada Dennis, I was quiet for you. Do that for me.
All right.
Unim. Na Eric Eje ajebo. Na me kwa hwehwe na o man hene bo aben pay a say offer. E ho no de na me koye.
Off.
Enti sa asem na o ka kire ye say yemie nto ye ma ye nkohwe na adwuma a hoye. Na o ye adwuma ne wi na adwuma ne nye papa na e obibi ka ne aka. Ye wo man mu ha ne ye pa o ye ma me Jemensa. Ye di Jemensa ba ya o start ni suni ne ban na ama political parties ne bi ni ne nhia no. Jemensa mo ka kire se ye hwe adwuma obeye o man hene. Ye to abawie ya ma me ne sesan results no be 6 times no. Wan ko declare de na e wo no ho. Dia mo ka se ye ko police station ye ko ye adwuma wo ho no. Police station e declare presidential results. Nye easy for no mugo suro na declare. Ah o man hene. No one a computation of the results from the district, region to national. And such elements, yeah, the omukogu easy akachi. We need not to be bothered. And what the miracle bit me I can say, woka sakri nkusi agaya yeah. What am I say?
Why don't you help to
but help say can you help in any day? On my fear. Almost fear with all the yeah for more. The only help is on my yeah for more no more. Miracle.
Miracle.
On my
and then your wife more.
Oh my farmer saying ah
Pennyfo can say Pennyfo can say at ye.
Am I refee?
Yes, at ye. Am I refee? Me kind me starting me discussion. And chair bia na Ura Muhammad na yega na mampeni. Na the opposition leader. And che bia na kofo na yega na mampeni. Na do minister wona na ban. Nti ochena ebi na Dennis onte ha said ote ha nei with the office description now with the man. Nti ochena obetimi abetena ha na different person. No, I want to tell you say when something is given to you and just say to be at your disposal permanently. It is here mouth to me. Once on one debate earlier no say to me there the part time no local government asem no. Obi anim say to me there. But your mouth to me a ye de ya de nipa nyina ni beso nya omo to me ni wo nsem. Aba na ye kwa akotena Ghana fo nyina aba na ye koto. Nya MPP internal election na mokoye. Ena moyi MPP ni se onko kan electoral commission ho ne ye complaining. Eye Ghana fo nyina na ye koto aba. Ena ye die yi Ghana mampani a Ghana fo nyina pe no. Ena wo di MPP ni ekwa electoral commission akachi. Ena ye ka kire wo say what you're doing at the credibility of electoral commission is going to disrepute. We are tried knowledge. What am I saying? So you can make your argument. Ye no. Ye say. But what chena be no? Quite nan count down. What's a quite netne? Na se BBC na ye can. Yen can no creno. Not about say go to the polling station and work. Ye try more crap because at the end of the day, polling station results never fast track the IT department. A branch na ya pound so ye IT PAD in IT na. Ye den by electoral commission catch no. On one year fax results na command. And you think that is fair? That is fair.
NDC4 they are very sad losers. Very poor performing political party. And they cannot inflict the entire country with their incompetence in managing their political party and managing their political system. That's their business. South football as more kind of multimedia ne on my way referee. Would you penalty na your correct penalty? I say VAR or
however.
Oh, Mr. Okasama Yoko.
However.
Okasama Yoko. Oh my, what you penalty no? That's a penalty na your correct. I say VAR. And VAR you are video. You are Tifa Suba all the code anymore. VAR becho.
Multimedia na
all these things near ma
boni wo trim say
I can say me nyina your mind until I make say e mugu no. In the first place there is not a single appointment at the electoral commission the judges are NDC Ghana fiti time NDC for no appointment in your omo nipa ni MPP. If the appointment is not made by the NDC the person is MPP. Judge bia ne juma be so ani a ono be rise it through his hard work NDC for better again.
Obi better obi kan judge.
Oh, let me speak. Electoral commission. Electoral commission for ya appoint omo nyina to electoral commission all this while. Omo nyina ye MPP because they were not appointed by the NDC. We will not waste our time and energy on these issues. In our electoral processes, the real VAR is your pink sheet. Se nipa no Nana Danko Kufuor kan no electoral commission chairman. Na say to abano na say insawom
party for na design pin sheet.
Oh, why are you
at the end of say apia hene own design pin sheet the purpose and fan comment
nti wo ka say yan fa wo yenti wonko a
what's the name
o my say ono
some no no can any serious
no I say because honestly nti wo no yan fa wadun na say
na Eric J your electoral court cha hwe manim me say na me Eric J Mika isi pen for no be feel say
yan fa wadun ya na che say bibia ngu wadun wa kire wadun say yan fa wadun ya che say ade ni nyina ensay the point I'm making is that monko fie na monko boaboa mo party na no ye o ma he NDC for mo to aba embrace say NDC for o mo hwe pinches no police station no mo kontokwa company for na catch him say boot for boot. I can tell you without any shade of doubt my way obi o hwe me bi anim say ya to aba na political party polling stations 38,622 no mukra pink sheet a kire say yeto aba wo insawom Methodist primary A no NDC nya 10 MPP nya 4 CPP nya 1 na krasa pink sheet na emfa ho say na do kra na ye chairman electoral commissioner o election obi entumi wia wo after all say electoral commissioner say okay o man ayom no mo run elections in man you they don't run the elections.
Now how many run?
No, these people don't run the elections.
How many run?
The chairman of the electoral commission and a chairperson of the electoral commission and then all the various directorates they are running the elections.
So what are you talking about?
Why are you doing this? I don't know what you're saying. I don't know.
Maybe as some so what I don't know what intro. Nice man. No, what intro? Why you behaving? What's in your when they run the election? Then
why are you behaving this way? Why are you behaving this way?
I'm going to GFA. Oh. GFA no more.
What the money we
yeah, you're more for electoral purposes. You are telling me that you're going to run election. IT for no one design pink sheets.
This is how to buy when I'm going to call police station. This is the same temperament, poor temperament, poor emotional intelligence. Almost some say they want to impose themselves onto the people of Ghana. And I'm going back and then I'm here. They are more kind of yabi as a mumba bemuda. As a mumuda. They are more kind as a mumba Ghana dying or swine memu. As a mumuda. 6 years here, I'm mokoye. Mokona DNAC. Nay a man, I'm a bonting. Na teacher for me, you are to meet your moka. Electoral Commission and Casacasa Mokano. Or more Piameco. More point to Mama Babeco. You electoral commission and more appointee or mono. I'm going to Pia Bambotiabeco. More than a papa ni. More papa muno. More opportunity as a more appointed electoral commissions. No more appointed chaotic electoral commission. What are you talking? Oh, my futu. You've had an opportunity before. You've had the chance before. There was a time where you had the responsibility to appoint the electoral commission. How did you do it? You plundered the electoral commission into chaos. Into what by? And yes, I people for the Becca you. More commissioners now more appointee and a bit chuki. Omo na beki ka omo nsem omo na omo ko abontin bedwem as what na wo mafutu wo kire wi ase nyanse nyina omo bi nkebi yenye ni nyina ma no ye ma wonka nso wo nya opportunity wo ntumi anye well you couldn't do it and here you are Oma menkasa so what just say ben kan say no super no man kan say no super na say man kasa my address issue ni say no super na say my address NDC for suban omo tintin suban no that is why the people of Ghana keeps rejecting and I keep telling you on this show say the fact is say Ghana for be ka say ebia ahon che kakra ba ne nche so mo pe NDC and na mo de NDC for the show mutrim oman electoral commission no mra no kura wo ye wo kwaye fa so ye de hihye electoral commission ye kwaye fa so ye de appoint electoral commission oman pani ene na pound for no what's our responsibility no NDC abreso o mampani jodrome ni mahama onya asa opportunity no o do commercial lot say ye nyina nim charlotte say background ya be kind CV
background ye den
ode ne ba wie
lawyer
ode ne ba wie no ehun susanso ne say enye mpp na ye be kasa yo commissioners na nkasa ene ba no be ko obedwom ekeka omo ho nsem eka ntokwa ekoso wode mu last omo a ene pi omo ho eden ekọ abonte na nadan ko ekufu ado emra ne say o kwan so be appoint electoral commissioners wa appoint electoral commissioners a ombe boa no mahwe no macheche electoral commission amaye no edwuma ese so mo ye no omo ye obi a wona so die political party nso we edwuma ne say oba ko twenu party fo na embra electoral commission dia ba no we be kisho say party for tiase o metum dia boa we elections no at the police station level. I think say at this point what is important is not to say me hu say we ni we didi me hu say we ni we ko party me hu say we akọ we yie enti no ye MPP ni o ye CPP ni o ye NDC ni o ye se ni say the here na say embra ene won so waso de da woso no obehye no waboabo ho yie no wetumi eden waye gbegbe ni kakaka ni anka wadwen yanka ma yamfa nipa wo pe yamfa wuni aba enti no ade ne nse ne de oman.
Okay, so this is what the president said in appointing these 3 very important officers to the commission. It is the quality of your work that will reassure the Ghanaian people that the democratic system of government that they have chosen for their governance will be properly nurtured by an electoral system that allows the voice to be plainly and loudly heard. As you begin work, you will find no honeymoon period. Neither will you be afforded the chance to settle into your new office. Your new office. Yes. As you begin work, you will find no honeymoon period. Neither will you be afforded a chance to settle into your new office responsibilities. I have nevertheless confidence in you and in your abilities to surmount the hurdles before you. Remember now more than ever that every decision you take will be scrutinized to the letter. That, however, should not scare you. And indeed, let no one try to cow you into submission.
So you could clearly see, sir, per the statements and Mampeni can Mampeni himself were in a party in the head and Rebecca was. Okay, Nambo Muno, Yakakra Mamun Sheki. My Unia Alexibwam.
Yes.
Ninuya Kenneth.
Yeah.
They are not one Newmont.
Yeah, Newmont, Nino.
Yamayad may ye Saturday Bewuji.
Oh, wow.
The man and I just say, Totrosu just in the Yako.
Very sad.
Yeah.
Okay, so
you have
my Caritas platform.